Ever wondered if your furry friend truly reciprocates your affection? Well, science has the answer. Researchers at Azabu University in Japan discovered in 2015 that when dogs lock eyes with their owners, there's a significant increase in oxytocin levels in both parties. Oxytocin, often dubbed as the love hormone, is associated with bonding and trust. This fascinating phenomenon suggests that not only do dogs appreciate your company, but they might truly be capable of love. So the next time you're engaged in a staring contest with your pooch, remember it's not just a game. It's a testament of love, a silent declaration of devotion from your four-legged companion.